Today, I'm going to teach you how to restrict access to Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you want to control who can fill out your form and prevent unauthorized responses or multiple submissions from the same person. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials if you haven't already. This will take you straight to your Google Forms dashboard where all your forms are stored in your Google Forms dashboard. You'll see a section labeled Recent Forms. This displays all the forms you've created or recently worked on. Go ahead and click on the form you want to restrict access to. This will open up the form editor where you can make all the necessary changes. Once your form is open, look for the settings option at the top of the page and click on it. This is where you'll find all the configuration options that control how your form behaves and who can interact with it. In the settings menu, navigate to the responses tab. You'll see an arrow beside it, so click on that arrow to expand the options. This section contains various controls related to how people can submit and interact with responses to your form. Now look for the option that says Allow Response Editing. This feature lets respondents go back and change their answers after submitting. Since we want to restrict access and maintain control, toggle this option off. This ensures that once someone submits their response, they cannot go back and modify it. Next, navigate to Limit to one response and toggle this option on. This is a crucial step because it prevents the same person from submitting multiple responses to your form. Google will use their account information to track who has already submitted, making it much more difficult for someone to spam your form with duplicate entries. Now we need to manage who can access the form itself. In the upper right panel of your screen, click on the Share button. This opens up the sharing settings where you can control visibility and access permissions. In the sharing menu, you'll see a section labeled General Access. Here, click on the drop-down menu beside Editor View and select Remove Link. This action ensures that no one can accidentally gain editing permissions to your form through a shared link. Finally, click on the drop-down menu beside Responder View and select Remove Link as well. By removing this link, you're effectively restricting who can even see and respond to your form. Now, only people you specifically share the form with will be able to access it. And that's it. You've successfully restricted access to your Google form by preventing response editing, limiting submissions to one per person, and removing general access links. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.